So we are on our way to Road to Hana to hopefully make it to the 7 sacred pools, but we forgot water shoes. So tip number 1, bring water shoes. Tip number 2, if you forgot them, go to Walmart. Just go to Walmart. It's on the way anyways, depending on what side of the island you're at. And so, yeah, tip 1, bring water shoes. Tip 2, go to Walmart and buy forgotten water shoes.
Pack enough food and a little bit of extra. You're going to be on the road for a very long time, and there are not a lot of places to stop. Bring the ginger, and I don't mean bring your red-bearded husband like I did, although he's fun to have. Anyways, bring ginger candies or ginger chews just in case you get nauseous. There are a lot of twists and turns, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot.
Woo! Tour bus is getting off! Yay! Say woo!
Yay!
Leave early. There's a lot of road to cover and not a lot of hours in the day. And if you want to make any pit stops, you want to make sure to have time for that. There are great places to stop along the way, and if you don't reach the end, you were still on Road to Hana.
Opportunity to take pee breaks, but when you come up on this sign, you'll see it says Wayside. Look, potties. Ah.
There's a lot to see, so make it 2 days and a night. Stop at an Airbnb on the way or the hotel in Hana.
Is you have to get banana bread. Right. So if you've come this far, you have to go to Aunt Sandy's and get banana bread. We hear that it's amazing. It kind of sneaks up on you. They have like a temporary location, but we will see. 3 little banana breads in a row. Which one is the first to go? They are $6 a piece plus tax, and they're still warm. So they look delicious. They are a really good size, and they're super soft. So can't wait to try them.
That big.
Yeah.
Damn.
courteous. The locals live here. Pull over when you can and pay attention to the traffic. If you see a place you want to stop on the way there, go ahead and stop then. It may not be open on your way back. Would we do Road to Hana and the 7 sacred pools again? Probably not. The waterfalls and the side stops were way prettier, and we didn't have to drive as far. Next time, we'll just spend the day at the beach.